Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on your Windows 11 system. In the first step, simply right click on taskbar and select task manager. On this window we need to find out task manager. So here it is, simply select it. You can right click on it and select end task. Once done, simply press Windows key plus R key together to open run. Then type here ncpa.cpl and hit enter. It will open your network connections. Once we are here, we need to simply right click on your internet connection, then select properties, then select IPv4 and open its properties. Once we are here, we are going to use this option, use the following DNS server addresses. So check this option and enter here 8.8.8.8, then press tab and then enter 8.8.4.4. then check this box and click on OK. If it works, then you can simply select this one and click on OK. Now close all these windows one by one. Once you click on OK, it will try to detect the problems related to your internet connection. Then it will also try to resolve them. Once done, close this window. Then simply right click here and select task manager. Then click on run new task. Then select browse button. Open this PC, then C drive, then open Windows folder. Now find out system32 folder. So here it is, simply double click on it to open it. In this system32 folder we need to find out cmd.exe file. Simply select it and click on open. So this will be our main path: C drive, Windows folder, system32 and cmd.exe. Now check this box and click on OK. So it will open command prompt window. Now close this window and here we need to type this command ipconfig space /flush DNS and simply hit enter. So this command is successfully executed. Once done, we need to exit, type exit to close the command prompt window. Then simply right click on this and click on settings. Once we are here, we need to select system, then just scroll down and we need to select troubleshoot. Again scroll down and click on other troubleshooters. From here we need to select this one, internet connection, and click on run. It will try to detect the problem and just close this window. After that, go to search bar and simply type run and click here to open it. Then simply type temp and click on OK. Now we need to select the file, select all these files and delete them. Simply right click on it and select delete. Again close it and again open run. Now this time type in %temp% and hit enter. Again we need to select all these files, right click on them and select delete. Once done, we need to close this window and simply restart your system. Your problem will be solved. That's it guys, you're good to go.